back from the dead.
Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. During the break we have modeled this little scene which will help us to test our first 3D window. But first we will present the main options of the control panel. Even though we chose the sliding window to demonstrate the main options, we wish to clarify that they are general and therefore apply to all other types of windows. Only some options vary with the selected window type, which we will specify as the time comes. First, do not forget to select the small hands to interact with the control panel. Then click on the main measurement icon. Use the up and down arrows to set a height and total width for your window. Finally, click on Settings. The first icon allows you to choose the materials PVC, wood and metal, with 3 colors each. Depending on the materials, the section of your window profiles will vary. For example, a metal window will offer lower sections than a wooden window. With the Pro version you can decide which values apply yourself, to the smallest detail. You can also customize the material, and even replace them with your own pictures. Now choose your material, then go to the next setting. This option is essential for the appearance of your window. The first choice is a glazing stop by quarter round, ideal for a PVC window. Then you have the traditional glazing stop, designed for wooden windows. The third choice has a square glazing stop, which is perfect for an aluminum window. Finally, you have the molded glazing stop combined with contemporary mutants. Make your selection and click Save to confirm your selection. You'll notice that the settings icon is automatically updated according to your choice. Later this will allow you to know, at a glance, the status of your settings. Let's go to the next icon. This option lets you choose the quantity of casements, and unlike other settings, the choices are different for each type of window. For example, the French and guillotine windows offer more opportunities, proposing fixed parts next to the casements. We will see this in more detail in the other tutorials. Make your selection and click Save to apply. In this setting you can add a fanlight. All the categories of windows offer these options except the French window, which offers a wider variety of choice with the option of adding casements. After clicking on Save, you may have noticed that a measurement icon has been added to the right of the settings icon. By clicking above you can define the dimensions of your fanlight. Finally, click on the settings icon to return to the main options. Sill settings. Even if you did not wish to add the sill, we will show you the different options. Available for all window categories, we have 8 choices, with glass panel and full panel. It is possible to set the height as it is for the impost. In this setting we can define the type of glazing, single, double and triple glazing, to respond to the thermal and acoustic insulation requirements. With the Pro version of Click Window, you can set the thicknesses of glass and the empty spaces. Here we are in a decoration option. Although they are shown in the control panel, only the windows in the Pro version have mutants. At the bottom of each image in the central vignette, if LT is dashed, it means that the option is not available in this version. In the colonial option you can set the amount of squares on the height up to 9 by clicking on the value Z. For the number of squares in X it's the same thing. It is possible to add more squares with the help of dynamic components options. We will explore these functions in the other tutorials. By clicking on the thumbnail single or double, you can define whether there are decorative mutants on the outside. Finally, click Save. The decorative element of the jam is not available in LT version. The goal is to reduce the weight of models to the maximum. The most complete Pro version offers 3 choices to decorate your windows. Sides are ideal for window placed on a wall, while 3 sides are ideal for a floor installation. Here we are in the second option, which is not general and that varies depending on the type of window chosen from the beginning. The Pro version of Click Window offers 3 handle references according to window category, as opposed to only one for the LT. You can also customize or apply your own materials. Finally, click the Save icon. Now we'll configure a bottom panel designed for window doors. We have 5 choices. Clicking Z, you can set the amount of bands on the height. Make your selection and click Save to finish. As we have a dimension line on the image, we'll be able to customize the height of bottom panel. Good news, we have almost finished. Before importing our first window, we will mask the baseboards to simplify their positioning in the opening. Now select the second icon in the Click Window toolbar and drag the window up to the opening. You may have noticed that the window rotates automatically, depending on the chosen attachment point. This will save you many unnecessary adjustments. Repeat this process for the second window. The loading time varies depending on the number of details of your 3D windows and the power of your computer. This current loading time is achieved with a fairly powerful laptop. You can see, hopefully with astonishment, that all settings were followed precisely. We have just seen the main options on the control panel applied to the sliding window. For the other 4 categories of windows, we will focus on undiscovered options to offer shorter and more helpful videos. In the next tutorial, we will discover the different ways to modify an already existing window in your project. If you like this video or Click Window, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you would like to encourage us, a like would make us happy. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in our next tutorial. See you soon.
Back from the dead.